Greene here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this 2019 Ford Ranger XLT Crew Cab with the Sport Appearance Package. Let me know what you think. We just got in this brand new 2019 Ford Ranger XLT Crew Cab with the Sport Appearance Package. It has the trailer tow package as well, the 5-inch running boards and 17-inch magnetic painted alloy wheels. I think they did an excellent job with this truck. I really like the darked out finishes, like of the grill, of the wheels. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Phone number is 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity. Turn your business and trust. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Here's the interior of this XLT. You have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, keyless entry. It's got a sport fabric interior trim. On your steering wheel you have everything you need, including Bluetooth, cruise control, Bluetooth audio. I like what they did with the dash and digital speedometer. Sync system with touchscreen. Does not have navigation. You got plenty of USB ports and 12-volt outlets. Climate control. Has a great sound system. Auto stop technology, and then 4-wheel drive on the fly. 10-speed automatic transmission paired with the 2.3-liter EcoBoost motor. Plenty of space in the back seats for 3. You have a center console that folds down. More USB ports and an outlet as well. If you have any questions on this truck, please do not hesitate to give me a call. 330-510-9613.